Parker gave us an assignment. He put together this kit, so we all grabbed one and we're all gonna make it and see if it just turns out a little bit different. All right, so whenever I first saw it, I thought the rabbit was awkward. And I thought if you start, and hers actually didn't do it because she put it on his neck, but I was picturing decorating the bottom half and I was thinking he was gonna wobble. Right, so if you just had something hanging here, it may like not make him balance and he was gonna swing. So I decided I was gonna put him on a grapevine and then just mount him towards the top of the grapevine. So that way I could hang it from the grapevine and then I would have this piece down here to add a bow to it. So I'm just gonna add a pipe cleaner to each end of the bunny. What am I attaching the pipe cleaners to? So where the fabric is sewn onto the grapevine, the wire comes out over the edge. Y'all, there's one more spot right up here at the top where I'm gonna put another one. All right. So now when I hang the grapevine, the bunny will just kind of be there. So the first thing that I did was, just separate out your stem so we can see what we're working with. This one may have to cut just because this stem is kind of long right here in the center.
Did you say you're going to use yours whole?
I'm going to try.
Yeah, I think so.
I think that's a good idea.
It is. I like that.
Oh,
That's beautiful.
Right, so I'm just going to keep adding to build out down here at the bottom.
Jim, I was going to do that last night, but we let Michael do it instead. Asking me about that basket.
Oh, yeah.
Basket.
This one, we may cut up.
I love how long he left them.
Mm-hmm.
Just so like airy looking.
Yeah.
I love the wind.
Y'all, before I add those pieces, let's make a little bow. All right, y'all, we're gonna go out with about a 12-inch tail.
Oh, I'm loving it all. Like you say, everybody's got a different idea of what.
Yo, I'm gonna go out. I was gonna say about 6 inches, so let's make sure. Yeah.
What you gonna do, Jordan? Okay.
Yo, I'm gonna make my normal bow where I would use 5 or 6 ribbons, but just use the same one, so that we still get the same look as normal. The stem cutter, it should be on the website. You just put in stem cutter. We've got like 1,000 of them in stock, I think.
Stem cutters?
Yeah, we got your stem cutters.
The stem cutters are so great, especially during Christmas with the thick ones. With those evergreens.
Oh, what?
With the thick. The thick. Too thick.
So y'all, my loops are just getting a little bit smaller each time. Let's get our center loop in there. All right, tie off our bow. Y'all, if you tie off your bow and it doesn't start to perk up like that, it's not tight enough.
So beautiful.
Yeah, that's not happening.
I know, right? I can't do it.
Why not?
That's so cute.
Yeah.
Add that right in the center.
And it still has some left.
All right, y'all. Then what I like to do next is start pulling some of my greens back up through the bow. Y'all, all these stems are wired throughout, so you can bend them like in toward your bow. All right, do some dovetailing.
Do you have sizzle on your thing?
Do we have sizzle? Yeah, we do.
Somebody asked.
We should have sizzle, shop pay, all the things.
All the things.
Barb said she got free shipping. That was wise.
That's
Very
what I
wise.
would have done. All right, y'all. Now I'm gonna add in the carrots. I think I just want the carrots
Julie.
coming out the top though. Like he's
That's
like,
cute.
like he's like in a little shrub. So I'm gonna glue that stem either directly into the grapevine down there or just wedged in between the loops.
Scissors today. You can put your jacket on. Your jacket.
Yeah, it's getting a little chilly over here, ain't it?
Y'all, on these, I think I'm gonna curl mine up a little bit more.
I love how you. It's both look.
All right, so on these little plastic things, y'all, I would not want to just put that in there by itself because these things are almost 20 inches long. But
Wow.
we can cut it in half. Give it a little curl with your scissors, just like you did with what was that ribbon that you used to do on gift packages that you would curl?
Oh, yeah,
That's what it reminded me of when I
Yeah.
first saw it.
You know.
All right, y'all. I think I'm done. So I did mine on the grapevine. That way you could hang it where you wanted.